Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chris here, and in this video, we will be diving into how we can start live coaching and use Q&A sessions straight from the Kajabi platform. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to use other platforms or sites to do this because Kajabi's got you covered. If you're not familiar with Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform that's ideal for creating, marketing, and selling online courses and other digital products. And it looks like it's living up to its all-in-one title because it now allows users to have live interaction with its audience. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? So if you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching it up, check out the special affiliate link below the video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features, and it's very easy to get lost. But in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get out of it for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. Once you're in, you'll find the dashboard. This is like the control center for all of your online marketing processes. Since Kajabi has a beginner-friendly interface, I'm pretty sure you won't have any trouble navigating it. To start live coaching, head over to the Products tab on the dashboard and click on Courses. Here you'll find all the courses you have created. But if you haven't created one yet, no worries. With Kajabi's AI assistant, you can create one in just a few clicks. And if you need more guidance in creating a course with Kajabi, you can check out my other video where I talk about setting up an online course with Kajabi. Once you have your course ready, you select the course you want to start a live session with. You will be taken to the next page where you see the course outline. On the top part of the page, find the Settings tab and click on it. Scroll down until you're in the Live Rooms section. Beside it, you'll find a toggle button. When you toggle this on, you can have a live session on this course with Kajabi. Please take note that you're only allowed up to 200 participants in a live session. Well, this could be a problem, especially if you have more than 200 students enrolled in your course. But on the other hand, it's also a good thing, as it can be impossible to have a Q&A session and answer all 200 students. So in this case, you can announce to your students that the live session will only cater to the first 200 participants. And to make sure that all your customers are satisfied, you can host these live sessions every week, or depending on your preference, cater to everybody that wants to join. Now, once you've toggled on the live video session, you'll be asked to provide your title, session description, and schedule. Below those fields, there's another toggle button that when you click on it, Kajabi will automatically record your live session and upload it as a lesson. That's pretty convenient. Aside from being able to answer all of the questions during the live sessions, you can also use the recordings as additional resources for your lessons. Your students can then rewatch it whenever they want to. But of course, make sure you ask permission from your live session attendees that you're going to upload the video afterward. I think this is a very helpful feature, especially since you're only allowed 200 participants. With this option, those who weren't able to attend can watch the recordings at a later time. You might also notice a tick box was enabled when you turned on the recording toggle. When you select this option, the submitted recordings will be automatically published, and your members can receive an email notification. Talk about automation, right? Kajabi will definitely make everything easier for you, so you can just focus on providing more value to your customers. If everything's all good, scroll up and click on the Save button in the top right corner of your screen. Now, moving on to step 3. Your live coaching session won't be successful without some decent promotion. To get the link to your live session, you can go to the course outline, scroll down to the live session details, and click on the ellipses in the right-hand side of the screen. From there, you can find 3 options: Edit Details, Get Session Link, and Disable Live. Since we want to promote your live coaching session, let's select Get Session Link. You can share the link to your social media accounts and even include it in the emails in your email marketing campaigns. Now, what's next? Another way to reach more people is to create an event. You can do this by going back to your dashboard, selecting Marketing, and then choosing Event. In the upper right corner, you'll see the New Event button. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to the next page where you'll be asked to provide the title of your event, the schedule, and the time zone. There's also a toggle button at the bottom that you can enable if you want this to be a repeating event. You can set the recurrence interval and the unit. For instance, I can put here 2 months. This means that the event will repeat every 2 months. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Save. Now, if you want to modify your event and add automation, you can just go to Events and click on the event that you just created. On this page, you can set an email that will be sent to your registrants, and yes, that can include the link to your live session. Now, for instance, you can craft an email that will be sent to the registrant right after they register for your event. You can do this by clicking on the Add Email option. You can specify when the email will be sent. Kajabi will have 4 options for you: at the time of registration, at the time of the event, before the event, and after the event. Depending on what you choose, you may also be asked to specify time intervals and time units. And of course, don't forget to provide a subject and craft the body of your email. You can then get a preview of the email or send a test email. It's entirely your choice. When you're finished creating all the emails for your event, click Save. So there you have it. Anyone who registers for your event through your website will receive emails with a link to the live session. Now that you've arranged, scheduled, and promoted your live session, it's time to go live. But take note that you should only do this on your scheduled date and time of the live coaching session. To do this, go to Kajabi's dashboard, select Products, then Courses, and choose the course you've scheduled for your live on. You'll then be taken to the course's outline. Just find the live session details and click on the Go Live button. Please make sure that you're in a quiet place during your live session and that you have a good internet connection. We don't want any interruptions or technical difficulties now, do we? Finally, make sure your live sessions are interactive and engaging for students. Remember, engagement is essential. So there you have it. That's how you can create and manage live coaching and Q&A sessions on Kajabi. It's an extremely effective way to interact with your audience, add value, and expand your business. Don't forget, if you don't have a Kajabi account or you'd like to try it out, you'll find a link in the description box for a 30-day free trial and access to my Jumpstart course, which teaches you everything about launching your own business. Plus, you'll get access to my high-quality templates, all at no extra cost. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.